Chapter 8. Describing Words. Get set go. Rewrite the poem and underline the describing words. This is my father, good and kind. This is my mother, of a gentle mind. This is my brother, grow so tall. This is my sister, playing with a doll. This is the baby, still to grow. That's the whole family standing in a row. Learn with me. Read the following sentences carefully. The tea is hot. My uncle has a big house. Mansi is in red sari. Giraffe is a tall animal. 1. The word hot describes the tea. 2. The word big describes the house. 3. The word red describes the sari. 4. The word tall describes the giraffe. Thus, hot, big, red and tall are describing words or adjectives. They describe the naming words tea, house, sari and giraffe. Adjectives can be used before or after a noun. 1. Adjectives used before a noun. For example, Nita bought a brown bag. He is a clever boy. This is a heavy box. 2. Adjectives used after a noun. For example, Nita's bag is brown. The boy is clever. The box is heavy. The words that describe nouns are called describing words or adjective. Read and understand the table. When we describe people, animals, place or things, we talk about their quality, size, age, shape, color, origin. Quality: pretty, cheerful, ugly, angry. Size: large, big, small, tiny. Age: old, young, new, ancient. Shape: round, flat, square, rectangular. Color: blue, green, red, yellow. Origin: India, American, Thai, Chinese.